This is Richard with Excentr, developer and manufacturer of badass cleaning equipment since 2015. In this video, we will explain more about the most popular Excentr pads and their different applications. We will cover the following Excentr pads: Excentr Fiber Pad, Excentr Pink Pad, Excentr Microfiber Pad Soft and Hard, Excentr Polybrush, Excentr Micro Scrub Pad, Excentr Magic Pad, Excentr Strip Alu Pad, Excentr Extreme Pad, Excentr Sanding Paper and Sanding Nets, and Excentr EDS, or Excentr Diamond System. We start with the cleaning pads, the Excentr Fiber Pad. The Excentr Fiber Pad is a pad with fibers sticking out in all directions. The short rotation of the Excentr method makes that these fibers will move into every bit of uneven surfaces like safety flooring, tiles and grout lines. This pad is perfect to be used without cleaning detergent, but can be used with a degreaser or limescale remover if necessary. Excentr Pink Pad. The Excentr Pink Pad is the go-to pad for all smooth surface cleaning jobs and can even be used on some safety floorings. The soft and open structure of this pad in combination with a resin grit makes this a great all-purpose cleaning pad. Excentr Microfiber. The Excentr Microfiber Soft and Hard pads can be used as low moisture cleaning and deep cleaning pads. The microfiber will clean the surface and traps the dirt inside, making this pad perfect for areas where limited water usage is preferred, like carpets or some PVC floorings. These pads can also be used in locations where cross-contamination between rooms is a topic. Simply use the pad in one area and let the washing machine clean your pad. Please note, no fabric softener. The white and black version has a harder scrubbing fiber for more intense scrubbing action, while the white and grey version has more microfiber, thus giving it more capacity to trap dirt. Excentr Polybrush. The Excentr Polybrush is a pad with high mechanical cleaning performance on various hard and elastic floor coverings, such as concrete, natural stone, structured tiles, vinyl, linoleum, rubber and more. The Excentr Polybrush consists of polyester active fibers that are finer than the fibers of conventional pads or the bristles of brushes. The fine fibers have a high mechanical cleaning effect that get deeper into the microscopic grooves of the surface. Unlike a pure microfiber pad, the fibers of the Excentr Polybrush don't trap the dirt, but rinse themselves during use and do not become clogged with dirt. Excentr Micro Scrub. The Excentr Micro Scrub is a combination of hard synthetic fibers. Great for removing all stubborn stains and hardened or dried in dirt of organic or non-organic origin. Cleans quickly and thoroughly without scratching and works excellent on uneven surfaces, textured floors, non-slip floors and in joints. Excentr Magic Pad. The Excentr Magic Pad is a real problem solver. Use this pad with plenty of water on your most difficult stains to see the magic happen. Although it feels very soft, the abrasive foam loosens up dirt and the open microstructure of the foam sucks it in and traps it there. Be aware, in areas with medium to high gloss, test in a small area out of sight to avoid surprises. Besides cleaning pads, we have a wide range of different pads for a wide range of applications. Excentr Strip Alu Pad. The Excentr Strip Alu Pad, a pad with many applications. This pad contains millions of aluminium oxide particles and basically works like a real fine sanding paper. It can be used both wet and dry and can be used on both sides. It can be used for top stripping polymer from linoleum, intensive cleaning of uncoated concrete and much more. This is an abrasive pad, so make sure you test it in a small area first to avoid surprises. Excentr Extreme Pad. The Excentr Extreme Pad is an extremely hard pad, mostly used in areas with extremely high levels of dirt and/or polymer. The hard and open structure makes it perfect to be used in combination with chemical floor strippers or low pH limescale removers. Make sure to test out the pad in a small area to avoid surprises. Excentr Sanding Paper. Excentr Sanding Paper can be used to sand wooden floorings. It is available in different grits to make sure you get the finish you require. Don't forget to use a dust control system and check your local health and safety regulations. Don't forget to use a dust control system and check your local health and safety regulations. Excentr sanding nets. The Excentr sanding nets are available in multiple grids and can be used as a problem solver on floors with thick layers of polymers. They can also be used for wooden floorings and grinding concrete. The sanding nets can be used wet and dry. If using dry, don't forget to use a dust control system and check your local health and safety regulations. The Excentr Diamond System, or EDS for short, is the way to clean, polish and renovate natural stone floorings. Available in different grids, from very abrasive to high gloss polishing pads with very clear markings on the back, tell you which pad and which grid you're using. This system works best on calcareous natural stone. Contact your local Excentr partner or watch the other videos for a more detailed explanation on the Excentr Diamond System. Are you looking for a specific pad for a specific application? Feel free to contact us or your local Excentr partner with any questions you may have. We are more than happy to work with you to find the perfect solution for your application.